Google is going beast mode. Hey guys, we're back with some exciting news. Google's biggest comeback is happening. The company who pretty much quit the smartphone flagship game last year is now back, and they're going beyond just traditional smartphones. Yes, Google is about to step it up and challenge the king of foldable smartphones right now, Samsung. We've heard that Google is working on its own foldable smartphone, and now we have further confirmation. According to Ross Young, Google's foldable phone is 100% real and is coming soon. Apart from Google, all smartphone brands are bringing foldable phones pretty soon, and they're going to be utilizing Samsung's 120Hz foldable panel. As you can see, different sizes are mentioned here, but Google is specifically using a 7.11-inch panel. We might hear something official regarding this foldable phone towards the end of this year. Now that's not it. Google is also reportedly working on another big smartphone innovation that's probably going to happen next year, which is Rollable Smartphone. According to Ross Young, this is in the plans, but he's not sure whether we'll see that phone coming out in 2022. Alright, so all these plans show that Google is serious about its comeback. They'll obviously compete with Samsung head-to-head, and being the owner of Android software, I expect a better third-party app optimization on Google's foldable devices compared to Samsung's, but we'll see what eventually happens. Now coming back to the present, in about 2 months' time, Google will potentially shock the smartphone market with their upcoming Pixel 6 family. Both Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are probably one of the most awaited phones of the year. As usual, the software continues to spill the beans, further confirming the leaks, plus adding some interesting details that we didn't know before. According to the new software code teardown via 9to5google.com, the selfie cutout for the Pixel 6 Pro is actually slightly bigger than the Pixel 6, which is a sign that yes, Google is indeed bringing a better and larger selfie sensor for its Pro/XL model, coming at 12 megapixel resolution, and for the first time allowing a Pixel phone to shoot videos up to 4K stabilized. Now other than this, the most interesting part of the leak is that Google might actually add a front camera LED flash on its Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Software code reveals that there may be a proper front torch or a front LED flash for the selfie camera. That is something that no other brand is doing right now, so if they actually do it, then it's pretty cool. Now video zoom is another area of improvement. You'll now be able to zoom up to 7 times compared to the 5x level we have seen on last year's Pixel 5. Again, that's different from photo zoom. The photo zoom is set to go beyond 10x as Pixel 6 Pro rocks a periscope lens for the first time, and Google is calling it as ultra tele lens. Now cameras on Pixel 6 series might even be more improved thanks to the brand new Corning's Gorilla Glass with DX protection. According to Corning, this lens is said to bring 98% more light than previous optics, which is indeed a very high quality improvement. In addition to Samsung, very likely Google and possibly even Apple could adopt these optics later down the year. In addition to better quality images, this lens is said to completely fix the reflection issue which you may have experienced when taking photos in the night. Now in case you have missed the previous videos, here are the complete specs for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. In addition to that, Google is set to bring 5 years of software updates for these devices, so honestly, these phones are looking like a pretty good long-term investment for a lot of people. So that's all the latest news. Google is not only making a comeback for its flagship phones, but also stepping in the world of foldables and rollable smartphones. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.